I wonder what's on TV today. Breaking news! There's an arts and craft table that is $50 and it is new. It comes with a hot glue gun, 2 pairs of scissors, tape, glue, thread, hot glue sticks, colored popsicle sticks, more colored popsicle sticks, and popsicle sticks, and a marker. And that's all for the news. I'm gonna get the arts and crafts table right now. To get the arts and crafts table. Hello.
Oh yeah, what are you looking for?
I'm looking for the new arts and crafts table.
Oh yeah, it's down aisle A.
How much does it cost again?
$50.
Okay, let me just give you the money first.
Hand it up.
Okay.
Alright. $100.
Okay. Yes, I have it. But can it be moved?
Yes, it's a table.
Oh.
It has wheels on it.
But it doesn't look like it does.
No,
okay, I'm just gonna get it. Yay! Oh my god, look at it. Can't wait. I'm gonna move it in the next video. Goodbye.